Hello student, you are now for the 11th standard. Up to the 10th standard, you have learned M1 and M2. Now the 11th standard is different from the 10th standard. Now in the 11th standard, you will learn M1 and M2 and their difficulty level is again very high. Now in this my channel, Maths for You, Maths for to all of you, that I am explaining the each and every topics of the textbook, each and every example. Then and then all the students of the Maharashtra and out of the Maharashtra will understand the concept of the mathematics very clearly. I hope that you will understand what I am explaining. If you like this, then you need to subscribe and share it so that you will get the notification of my all the videos earlier. Now let us start the determinant practice set 4.1. Now we'll start the determinant. Value of determinant. In the 10th standard, you have learned to find out the value of the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 determinant. Now see this value of the determinant A, B, C, D, that is equals to A into D minus B into C. In this way we can find out the value of the determinant. Now next, see this, AB is called the first row, CD is called second row, and AC is called the first column, and BD is called the second column. Now we see that how to find out the value of determinant of the order 2 by 2. Now we'll see determinant of order 3 by 3. Is order 3. The element is written as A11. First one stands for the first row and second one stands for the first column. First row, first column means A11. A12 means what? First row, second column. 2 means second column. Therefore, it is treated as A12. A13 means what? First row, third column. And if we take the element A23 means what? Second row and third column. A33 will be third row, third column. Now first number denotes the row and second number denotes the column. In this way you can assign the order of that element. A11, A12, A21, second row, first column. A22, second row, second column. A23, second row, third column. A31, third row, first column. A32, third row, second column, and A33, third row, third column. Now next, expansion of expansion of determinant first row. Means what? We'll expand this determinant by using the first row. Now see this. That is capital D is equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and third row A31, A32, and A33. Now see this. Now to expand this by using the first row, that is, we will take the element A11, A12, A13. When we find out the value of, that is, A11 into, then we consider, that is, A22, 23, A32 and A33. म्हणजे मराठी भाषेत सांगायचं झालं तर A11 च्या खालचे डिलीट करायचे, A11 च्या समोरचे म्हणजे A12 आणि A13. मग काय राहतं शिल्लक? The remaining is A22, A23, A32 and A33. Now second has minus sign always because it is of the order -1 raised to 1 plus 2. Therefore it is a minus and that's why it is a minus. Therefore, now here I had written in the red mark, that is the elements below A12, they are neglected, and element to the left and right side of the A12 also eliminate. The remaining elements are A21, A23, A31, A33. Now determinant topics is for also the diploma courses, first year, also for the CBSE, sometimes it is for the 11th standard. Now last is A13. I had written in the different ink to understand you. A13, that is a eliminate the element, delete the element A23, A33 below A13, and in front of A13 the elements are A11, A12. Therefore, what is remaining? A21, A22, A31, A32. I had used ink there, green ink. Then you can understand this. Now in the determinant sign A22, A23, it's a 2 by 2 determinant, you can solve that. Now next, minus of elements, minus of elements of determinant means how to find out the minor of any element. Now see this. That is capital A is equals to determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, third row, second column, and A33 means what? Third row, third column. Now I want to find out the minor, and minor is denoted by the capital M. This is, that is a minor of A11. is equals to capital M11. M stands for the minor. First row, first column. Now in the first row, first column, again neglect the element below A11 and in front of A11, that is A12, 13, A21 and 31, neglect. Then what you are getting? A22, A23, A32, A33. Therefore, minor of next A12. We are finding the minors of first row. Now the second element of the first row is A12. Now eliminate the element below A12, that is A22 and A32, and left and right side of the A12, which is A13 and A11. Then which are the elements? The elements are A21, A23, A31 and A33. Now next, minor of A13. That is M13 is equals to, again they eliminate the element below 13 and in front of 13, that is A11, A12, A23 and A33. What is the remaining? A21, A22, A31, A32. These are the elements. Very easy chapter, the determinant. If you have the good practice, then you can score in this chapter. That is A21, A22, A31 and A32. These are the minors of the first row. Now the next point is cofactor. Again, this is a simple thing to find out the cofactor. Those students who can find out the minors, he can easily find out the cofactor because they are interlinked. That is the cofactor of Aij is equals to -1 raised to, that is a Cij. It is denoted by the cofactor is denoted by Cij, -1 raised to I plus j into Mij. म्हणजे कुठला एलिमेंट जर आपण घेतला, that is for example I had written that is a cofactor of C11, that is equals to -1 raised to 1 plus 1. I means 1, j means also 1, and M1, that is a minor of that element. That is -1 raised to 1 plus 1, which is written as in this manner. The value of M11, which is A22. Next is A23, and A32, and last is A33. In this way, we can find out. Only you have to remember multiply the minor by the order of that particular element. -1 raised to, that is I plus j. For example, again, cofactors, that is a C13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. Because here I is 1 and j is 3, M13 that is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, that is 4, and M13 that is A21, A22, A31 and A32. Now we'll see next. Next, that is the minor of ABCD. Now minor of ABCD, minors of ABCD means what? Minor of element A. Element A, if we consider the element A, in front of A there is a B and below A there is C, then what is remaining? D is remaining. Therefore the minor of A is D. Minor of B, the minor of B is C, minor of C is B and D is A. For 2 by 2 matrix, minor of A is D, minor of B is C, minor of C is minor of A is D, that is eliminate the element that is in front of A is B and below A is C. Minor of B is C and minor of C is B. And minor of D is A. Is A. Now we'll start the exercise 4.1. Question number 1. I am solving all the examples from each and every exercise so that all the students will get more and more benefits and they will score good score in mathematics. Find the value of determinant, find the value of the determinant. The first is that is a 2 minus 4, 7 minus 15, and that is equals to 2 into minus 15 and minus in bracket minus 4 into 7, that is a minus 30 and plus 28. That is equals to minus 2. That is minus 2. Next, therefore D is equals to minus 2. Now second example, 2i, 3, 4 minus I, that is equals to 2i into minus I, minus 3 into 4, that is I into I square, that is minus 2i square, minus 12, I square means what? Minus 1, that minus minus become plus, that is a plus 2 and minus 12, that is equals to minus 10. This is the value of the determinant. I is a complex number, I square is equals to minus 1, that's you have to remember. Now next is 3 minus 4, 5, 1, 1 minus 2, 2, 3, 1. Always read the determinant in the row order. That is a 3, 1 minus 2, 3, 1, and next minus in bracket minus 4, then 1 minus 2, 2, 1, Next, plus 5. Then you will get elements 1, 1, 2, 3. Always read the elements in the order of the rows only. That is a 1 into 1, 1. Minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3. Minus minus become plus. That is a plus 4. 1 into 1. Minus 2 into 2. 5. That is 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 2. Therefore, you will get that is 3 in bracket 1 plus 6 plus 4 in bracket 1 plus 4 plus 5 in bracket 3 minus 2. That is 1 plus 6, that is 7. 3 into 7, 4 into 5, 5 into 1, that is a 21 plus 20 plus 5 and total addition, that is equals to 46. Therefore, the value of the determinant, that is equals to 46. Now, next example, that is ABC. I had written this determinant in the very different fashion. I had written first of all diagonal, that is ABC, then F, G and H. Now, see this, their corresponding elements are same. Now, D is equals to A, BF, FC minus B, HF, GC plus G into the determinant, that is a H, B and G, F. Now solve this determinant. This is very important and we will get here the test of joint equation of pair of two straight line, that is determinant is equals to 0. हे टेस्ट तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचे, हे तुम्हाला 12th स्टँडर्ड ला येणार आहे. That is A in bracket BC minus F square minus H in bracket HC minus GF plus G in bracket HF minus BG. That's you are getting ABC minus AF square minus CH square plus FGH minus BG square. Therefore, overall you are getting the ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square. You have to remember in this manner ABC plus 2FGH. Now next question number 2, find the value of x if that is a determinant is given x square minus x plus 1, x plus 1, second row x plus 1, x plus 1. Now normal multiplication, the value of the determinant is equals to 0. Now x square minus x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into x plus 1, that is equals to 0. Therefore, take x plus 1 as a common, then in bracket you will get x square minus x plus 1 minus 1 minus in bracket x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now x plus 1 in bracket x square minus x plus 1 minus x and minus 1. Now plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. Therefore, in bracket x plus 1, in second bracket x square minus 2x, that is equals to 0. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Then you are getting in the next x plus 1. Take x as common, then you will get x minus 2. Now this is very simple equation, that is x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 0 or x, that is x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the values of the x are minus 1, 0 and 2. That is x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. Now the value of the determinant is 29. Again, find the value of x. Now see this. Again, evaluate the determinant equal to 29. That is x 1 into 5 minus 3 into minus 4 minus 1 in bracket 2x into 5 minus in bracket minus 3 into 3 bracket complete plus 2 in bracket 2x into minus 4 minus 1 into 3 bracket complete. Now you will simplify, that is equals to 29. That is x in bracket 5 minus 12, because minus minus become plus and again there is minus. Therefore, x minus 5 minus 12, 1 in bracket 10x plus 9 plus 2 in bracket minus 8x minus 3, and that is equals to 29. Now simplify this. Minus 7x plus 10x plus 9, that is a minus 16x minus 3 into 2, that is minus 6, that is equals to 29. Now this is very simple equation, linear equation in one variable, that is 3x minus 16x plus 3, that is equals to 29, and that is therefore x is equals to 26 upon minus 13, that is equals to x is equals to minus 2. Now next, find x and y if 4i, I cube, 2i, I, 3i square, 4, 5 minus 3i is equals to x plus iy. Now expand this, that is a 4i in bracket 3i square into I minus in bracket minus 3 into 4 minus I cube 1 into I 5 into 4 plus 2i in bracket 1 into minus 3 minus 3i square into 5. Now evaluate this, that is equals to x plus y, that is a 4i. I square means what? Minus 1, minus 1 into I. Again minus minus become plus, that is a plus 12 minus I cube. I cube means what? I square into I. That is 1 into I is I, minus 20 plus 2I minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 15I square, that is equals to x plus iy, that is equals to 4i minus 3i plus 5 I square can be written as it is a minus 1. Now simplify. Where is therefore that is 4i into minus 3i plus 4i into 12 plus I dot I minus 20i minus 6i that is a minus 30 I square is equals to x plus iy minus 12i square plus 48i plus I square minus 26 I minus 30 into minus 1, that is equals to x plus iy that is minus 11i square plus 22i plus 30 is equals to x plus iy, that is a minus 11 in bracket minus 1 plus. Now one thing is there, that is a minus 30i cube. I am changing that, and by doing that minus 30i cube, then we will get that is 11 plus 52i. Therefore x is equals to equate real and imaginary part. Therefore x is real part, 11 is real part. Therefore x is equals to 11 and y is equals to 52. That is comparing real and imaginary parts. I had explained in another part, that is a complex number in chapter. Now the question number 4. Find the minor and the cofactor of the element, the following determinant. That is a d is equals to determinant 2 minus 1 3, 1 2 minus 1 5 7 2. The elements are denoted by their orders. That is a 2 minus 1 3, 1 2 minus 1 5 7 2. Therefore M11 that is equals to 2 minus 1 7 2, that is equals to 2 into 2 4, minus in bracket minus 7, that will become plus, that is a 4 plus 7, that is equals to 11. Therefore the M11 is equals to 11. Now the cofactors, that is a C11 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Its order is 1 1. Therefore minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. M11 that is a 1 into 11, that is equals to C11 is also 11. Now next M12. One minus 1 5 2. 1 into 2 minus in bracket minus 1 into 5, that is a 2 plus 5, that is equals to 7. Therefore M12 that is a minor is 7. Now it's a cofactor, that is a C12 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. M12 minus 1 raised to, that is a minus 1 into 7, which is minus 7. C12 is equals to minus 7. M13 in the same way, that is a 1 2 5 7, 1 into 7 7, 2 into 5, that is 7 minus 10, that is equals to minus 3. Therefore M13 is equals to minus 3. And it's a cofactor, C13 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, that is M13, that is a 1 into minus 3, that is a minus 3. Now next is C13, that is a minus 3. Now next is M21, that is a minor. You can write the element minus 1 3, 7 2, that is minus 1 into 7, minus 1 into 2, minus 3 into 7. We can find out it. That is a minus 2, minus 21, minus 23. To find out the minor, it's very easy, minors and cofactors. Now this chapter is a scoring chapter for the 11th standard. That is M21, which is a minus 2 3. C21, that is a minus 1 is to 2 plus 1, M21. And overall, you are getting the C21, that is equals to 23. Now next, M22. That is a 2 3 5 2, 2 into 2, minus 3 into 5, that is a 4 minus 15, that is minus 11. Therefore M22 minus 11. C22 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2, M22, that is a 1 into minus 11, that is equals to minus 11. Therefore C22 is equals to minus 11. M23, to find out the minors, that is a 2 minus 1, 5 7, and in this way we can find out the minor. Therefore M23 that is equals to 19. C23 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3, M23 that is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 means what? 5. Minus 1 raised to 5 means minus 1. Minus 1 into 19, that is a minus 19. Therefore the cofactor 2 3 is minus 19. Now the minor of 3 1, that is minus 1 3, 2 minus 1, that is minus minus will become plus, 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. Now find out its M31, it's a minor 5, M31 is minus 5, and it's a cofactor, that is a C31 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1, M31, that is a 1 into minus 5, overall it is a minus 5. Therefore C31 is equals to minus 5. Now M32, that is equals to 2 3, 1 minus 1, that is 1 into minus 2, minus 3 into 1, that is a minus 2 minus 3, minus 5, and therefore M32 is equals to minus 5. Now it's a cofactor. that is a cofactor C32, that is equals to 5. Now last is M33, that is a 2 minus 1, 1, 2, that is a 2 into 2, minus in bracket minus 1 into 1, that is a 4 plus 1, that is 5. Now again cofactor will remain as it is, because minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 is 6, therefore it will remain 5 again. Now see this, it's a cofactor is also 5. Now next is this, that is 2 minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7. Find out the value of this determinant. Question number 5, we will first find out the value of this determinant. Very normal. These steps are repeated again and again. That is a 2 into minus 7. It's wrongly placed. That is, in place of minus 7 there must be the 0. Now see this. That is 3 into minus 46 plus 150. There is one mistake, that is 7 into 0, that is 0, that is minus 54 minus 138 plus 150. You see this, there is a had corrected that mistake, that is 7 into minus 7 into 0 is 0, and overall you are getting the 40. Again, now the minor and the cofactor of second row. Now see this. First of all, minor and cofactor of the second row. First element is M21, that is minus 5, minus 3, 5, 5 minus 7, that is M21 is equals to minus 4, and it's a cofactor, that is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, M21, overall it's a 4. Now M22, that is a minor of element 22, A22, 251 minus 7. Example मधनं तुम्ही बघू शकता ते कसं दिलेलं from the textbook. That is a 2 into minus 7 minus 5 into 1 minus 14 minus 5 minus 19. Therefore M22 is equals to minus 19. Therefore that is C22 is equals to minus 19. It will be as it is. Now next, minor 23, minor of the element A23, that is M23 is equals to 2 minus 3, 1, 5, that is equals to 10 plus 3, that is equals to 13. M23 is equals to 13. And C23 is equals to minus 13 because M23 it is odd number. Minus 1 is to odd number, that is minus. That is equals to minus 13. C23 is equals to minus 13. Therefore, now we can easily verify it, substitute the values. That is the minus 6 into minus 4, 0 into minus 19, minus 4 into 13 is equals to minus 20, and hence it is a verified. Next is also verified, 6 into 4, that is second is also verified, minus 28 is equals to, again it is verified. Now we'll see the last question. Find the value of the determinant expanding along the third column. The third column is a 2, minus 4, 0. Now we'll see. That is a 2, the determinant minus 2, 3, minus 3, 4. Minus in bracket minus 4, minus 1, 1, minus 3, 4. Plus 0 into that last determinant. The value of that determinant is 0. That is a 2 into 1 plus 4 into minus 1. That is a 2 minus 4. That is equals to minus 2. In this way, my dear student, we have completed the practice set, which is 4.1. Now we'll see the next practice set, 4.2. Till then, goodbye. In this way, we have completed the practice set 4.1. I hope that you understand the first exercise for the determinant to evaluate the determinant of the order 3 by 3. If you like this, then subscribe, share with your friends. Also, this is useful for the diploma student and also the CBSE student. Now we'll see again the next video, that is exercise 4.2. Till then, goodbye.